Hello there everyone and good day. It is Shane here at My Leisure Home. Very happy to be showcasing to you this stunning and reduced Swift Bordeaux. The holiday home is priced at just $47,995, reduced from £50,700, and it's also got 2025 site fees included. The site fees for next year on this holiday park are just $2,750 for the full 12-month holiday season, and it's on Croft Lakes Country Park, which is just on the outskirts of Skegness, which is a 12-month holiday park with a beautiful fishing lake, which is also free for all owners. We'll go have a look around the plot on the holiday home now. Okay, so as you can see here, from the holiday homes at Croft Lakes, there is loads of space around them, be that at the front of the holiday home, the double car parking space, or all that space at the side just here. There's also plenty of space at the rear of the holiday home, where you can obviously put a shed and put some planters and things like that, just like next door. They've made theirs really, really nice. This is your view. So there's a tree line there that's now growing. And then just over here. And then fishing lake is just beyond them units there, which I'll put in the video also. So this Swift Bordeaux then, it's brand new. It's a 38 by 12 2-bedroom. And it's got a sliding patio door just here. Strip LED lighting just above there, which lights up your decking lovely of an evening. Again, it was priced at £50,700. And it's now been reduced to just $47,995. Okay, again, like I say, there's over 8 metres between yourself and next door. That hedge line just there, and that track just here is to go to the new development just at the back, where another 18 units are going in just over there. So as we go into the holiday home then, you come onto this lovely vinyl flooring. Really, really nice decor in here. Not only have they used the space very well, the colour scheme is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we've got your boiler cupboard just here. Okay, which doubles as a storage unit as well. Your 70/30 split fridge freezer just there. Goes from that lovely light grey with them beautiful handles at the top just here as well. And then it goes to this really nice deeper grey. Really, really nice colour tone. You've got the marble effect worktops as well. Just here, you've got a dishwasher. Okay, so that's an integrated dishwasher. You've got your 4-hob gas cooker with your grill and oven just below. A stainless steel extractor with your LED lighting. As we go round then, you've got loads of storage in this one. Integrated microwave. These beautiful hanging lights just here. Worktop space all the way around. And then we come to your 4-seater dining room table. You go from the vinyl then to this lovely plush grey carpet. You've got your 2- and 3-seater sofas. The 3-seater has a pull-out bed underneath, which is this one here. Coffee tables and stools. Really nice surrounding just here. Really nice feature wall. Sorry, I'll get out the picture there. You can wall mount your television where the mirror is, or you can obviously put your television on a unit in the corner. Really nice pictures and features all throughout the holiday home. And just above them pelmets there, as you can see, is an LED strip light. Really does look nice of an evening. And then this is your view from the front of the holiday home. Okay, so as we go through then, we'll go through to the master bedroom first. So the vinyl flooring flows throughout the hallway. You've got some coat hangers just here. And as we get to the master room then, first of all, you'll see how much walk-in space is in here to get around your bed. So that is a king-size bed. It's also an ottoman bed, so it doubles up with storage underneath. Beautiful headboard surrounding. Really nice colours featuring throughout this holiday home. You've got an LED reading light just there, look. Plug sockets with USBs beside the bedside tables, with a cabinet space just below as well. Really nice built-in wardrobe there. There's loads of room in that wardrobe. And then just over here, we've got your vanity table with your mirror and plug sockets, and also a place to put a television up on the wall just here. One of the really good features about this one is this ensuite, because you've got an ensuite shower room. So it's got a full-size shower. Really, really good size that is. A mirror with your cabinet just above. A floating basin just here. And then you've got your toilet and tower radiator there as well. Again, it's got that vinyl flooring that flows throughout this holiday home. As we look at the guest bedroom then. Okay, so you've got your built-in wardrobe just here. Shelving and mirror just there as well. Place to wall mount a television here. And again, that beautiful headboard surrounding. Two 2'6" beds in here. plug sockets with USB, and again that LED strip reading light just there. In the master bathroom then. Okay, as we go in, there's a little bit more room in here, but you've got that huge end shower again. More shelving, more storage. Your floating basin again, and then your toilet just there. So again, this is the Swift Bordeaux, priced at just $47,995. For any more information, contact Shane at myleisureHome.co.uk or call me on 01754 252 889. Thank you for watching, guys.